I have discovered a new animal. Look at these freaks of nature. They have to walk with like their necks like dumb. Walk!
What were you saying?
I was saying I discovered a new species of birds. They walk like they're dumb.
Choking.
They're choking. They don't even care. They're like, whatever, bro. Come here. Come here. I can touch them. These things are so cool. Oh, bird bite. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Woo. Bird bite. Oh, this is the best YouTube video ever. Holy moly. I'm sorry. You guys aren't ugly. Holy moly. Ah!
Oh yeah. Ya, no se lastimen. Miren, ni le hacen caso.
Run, run, run. Woohoo!